Okay, I'd like to show you one of my latest inventions. I call this one a Parasol streamer. The reason is that this particular streamer is going to operate similar to a parachute, and it's going to be a very, very interesting streamer when it opens up. I just got done rebuilding and repainting my Big Bertha, and I thought I would do something special, put a different type of streamer in it. I have 1 week until the last flight at the Hughes Seed Farm where we do the big stuff. So after that, we can't get into that field. So I want to do some more experiments. This particular experiment, this is a 40-foot streamer. And what's interesting about this 40-foot streamer is, like the loop streamer, it's connected on both ends. What's more interesting though, it goes back into another loop. So this is a Kevlar loop, and the loop that sticks out the middle now going to tie onto the rocket. The interesting thing about this is that I noticed when the streamer was falling, the loop streamer, the center that was flat was equal to the width of the Kevlar cord. So therefore, this is a 40-foot streamer, and this is a 20-foot cord. I'm hoping that the flat spot of the streamer is going to be 20 feet wide. So that's why I'm doing this type of design. Let's build it, fly it, and see what happens. Otherwise, these are spectacular streamers. They're working like parachutes almost. Here's another example. This one I'm going to put inside of another Big Bertha. And this one is my 4-inch streamer, 4-inch wide that is. This one is about 24 feet, and this cord is about 12 feet. So again, same type of thing, where the streamer now uses the center wind where the two ends are together, and now I just have a streamer that goes into a loop. Of course, there is a bit of a challenge in how do you really tie this onto the rocket. I'll cover that in the next video. What's interesting though is this ejection blanket. Again, the ejection blanket has to hold the streamer still during the launch. Particularly when you're using things like D16s. So the streamer goes in there. I can fold this up. You see, it looks like it's oversized, but I'll show you why in a moment. So this will now fit into the Big Bertha very easily, just like this. And there we go. And injection, it slides right out real easy. However, the real trick on this is that I'm going to also put in there a drogue streamer. This is going to stabilize the rocket, which is why it's a little bit larger. This is going to help stabilize the rocket while the streamer is in place. And this is going to be folded up inside. So I'm going to have the streamer on the outside of the Kevlar, and I'm going to have the parachute in the center attached to the rocket. And this is all going to eject at one time. So this ought to be a very spectacular launch. I look forward to trying this experiment, and hopefully launch day won't get rained out.